Ain't no joke. You don't need no chick to eat my beef.
It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing when you let your nuts hang.
What it do, everyday people? It's your boy PJ.
That's what I do.
We in here with Marvin Percy, man. We hooking up the loaded baked potato. He
With
just put
brisket.
that. All right. We ain't gotta tell them all the secret sauce, but go ahead and give them a rundown what we got here.
That's a brisket loaded baked potato. Ain't no joke. I just smoke. It is what it is. I do what I do. Put a fork in it, and we done.
So explain what we got.
What you want to know, man? We got a loaded baked potato here. A big baked potato with brisket in it, bacon bits, chives, cheese, sour cream, and if you want more, all you gotta do is ask. We don't discriminate. Call me at 405-833-6400. The backyard catering ain't no joke. We just smoke, and the truck will be back out soon.
Backyard catering.
Go sleep on that.
Dope.
Here you go, PJ. That's for you. That's for my nephew.
All right. Let's see. Here we go.
That would make you slap somebody. So don't sit next to nobody when you eating it. Because you're going to slap the shit out of them. That's all I can say.
Here we go. Here we go, man. Let's get a taste test. All right. I already know this shit is fire. I gotta pull it out. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Oh, yeah.
That's the barbecue sauce on all of them?
You did, yeah. All right. That right there?
What is that? That money?
That's money.
That money.
Hey, that's money. That's money. Hey. $14 loaded baked potato.
All day, every day.
All day, every day.
Just call.
Just call me.
Ain't no joke. You don't need no chick to eat my beef.
What it do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ. Man, are you in the middle of the game and your wife is nagging you about that property you still ain't sold? Give me a call at 405-759-0038 and let me get rid of that property for you. No hassle. Get rid of it cash up front. Give me a call, 405-759-0038, and let me get that property sold for you so you can get back to the game. Hey, what it do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ. Today, got another video, man, and yes, I'm half naked with no drawers on. You can't tell, but you can tell. But anyway, so I'm here. See, I got my Newmen. Shout out to Newmen. Great product right here. I've been warming this up. It's kind of toasty right now. I've been warming that up because remember I said that purchase of the beard oil in my last video? Well, here we have Newmen Protective Heat Spray for beard and hair. And of course, I don't have no hair for it, so it's all for beard. But let's see how well this heat spray works. I'm not sure what it's protective for, but let me tell you about the ingredients.
Butterfly in the sky, I can go twice as high. Take a look, it's in a book. a reading rainbow.
It has Prunus amygdalis dulcis. And what that means is it's sweet almond oil, okay? The next ingredient is liquid cocos nucifera. That is coconut oil. The next ingredient is Argania spinosa kernel oil, and that is argan oil. The next ingredient is Semonsia chinensis seed oil, which is, I don't know if it's jojoba oil or jojoba oil. If it's from Mexico, I don't know. All right, and next is tocopherol, and that's vitamin E. But we need to get on this vitamin B. So the directions is spray, apply, and comb. Whew. Let's get this shit going. Let's shake it up, you know what I'm saying? You gotta shake up shit sometimes. Ooh, it's coming out of streams. When they say apply, I'm guessing it means like this. You know what I'm saying? All right, so now we all greased up. And I don't want to do my mustache. So I was watching a commercial and I seen them doing a mustache. And that shit looked close, like, motherfucker gonna have my lips smoking. All right, so let's do this. Ooh. Maybe I didn't. Ooh, you see that? Man, I'm telling you. That's that shit to have your neck jerking. Ooh, I'm gonna look sexy as fuck going to sleep. You know why I like this? Cause I go from looking like Rick Ross to a sophisticated boss. So now this is before I trim it up, okay? I'm finna trim it up and we finna see how good Mr. Will looks, you know what I'm saying? Okay, everyday people, just hold on for me 1 second, okay? All right, everyday people, man, so now this is what your boy look like. Man. After the shave, man, that beard is looking rotundous. I'm talking about cartoon good. You know what I'm saying? I got all the scraggly hairs. It's all even so you can see. Man, you just lay it down and actually, I mean, it works pretty decent for a black man's hair. So, you know, if you worried about it straightening out, I don't think it's supposed to straighten it all the way out. I think it just makes it, I don't know. It's just like pressing it out and going down, so it still looks good. You ain't gonna have no straight hair. Like, you don't have no Caucasian hair, but you got it though. You got it. Then, you know, just trim it up, and then you in the game, dog. Straight the fuck up. Look at this. Will no woman even tell that you pressed your beard? Cause we still gotta go out like men, dog. When you say, you know what I'm saying? I press my beard with a Newman, that just, well, no, if you say, I press my beard with a Newman, you say it like that, because a Newman make it sound like, you know, I'm a new man, you know what I'm saying? So I think that works. Don't fucking tell no girl, though. You tell your homies, but don't tell your girl. Now, I won't even tell your homies. Yeah, I would tell your homies. Tell your homies. Tell your friends. And then tell them bitches, hide your kids, hide your wife, because I'm snatching wives in this motherfucker. Look at that new beard. All right. Shout out to Newmen, man, for the protective heat spray. It works. All right. Shout out to them. Go check out that website, Newmen.com, or just Google them, or just start searching beards. It's going to pop up on your Facebook, because they do have Facebook ads, and that's how I found them. You can find them there. You can find them on, I think I seen them on Twitter too. They everywhere. So Newmen, that's NEWMEN.com. All right. So shop at Newmen, get your products, and you know, take care of your beards, man. These ladies like to see that shit. They don't want to see it. Listen, beards are in, and protect that chin. You know what I'm saying? And if you got an ugly chin, protect that too. You know what I'm saying? But mine, I got a pretty chin, but you know that beard just does it. You know what I'm saying? It does it for me. It does it for the women. You know what I'm saying? And then if you got a beard and big lips, god damn. Everyday people, man, I'll holler at y'all. Peace.